on, and he's all yours. Do you want to try to breastfeed him before he goes to the nursery?
Yeah.
You can give it a whirl.
Are you ready in here right now? Not at all.
He's going to cry.
He's a soldier.
You're not bothering him at all, is it? Good job,
job.
little man.
You get a sucker
Yeah,
from
wait
that
till
one.
he's not going to cry when I give him the shot. He's going to cry when I write, massage and the Band-Aid on it. I wouldn't hold out that that's going to be how he is for the rest of his vaccinations. So. Would be, huh? Put your hat back on. Go do some skin to skin.
Ready to go see Mommy? Here he comes.
You do me one more favor?
Yeah.
Since I'm all greasy. His kiss and hug is over there. If you would just bring the kiss to me and...
And Mom's due for her next birthday, which is in 3 whole minutes.
Okay.
Because I put in her